my guiding light. Keep me company in the night. That's all I need. All I want is for you to stay a little longer now, with arms around me like a border.
Hey guys, what is up? I thought I would, if you noticed, which you probably did, there was no intro or actual intro to the video. So I decided just to, film. We went to the beach, sunburnt, and I got really dark. This is so bad, but that was what I looked like. Whoa, I was really white, sorry. Anyways, so we are going to Universal or Disney World tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I decided that I would just come on here for today's vlog, just for a couple of seconds / a minute or two. And yeah, and I posted some pictures on Instagram, which y'all should go follow, #alwaysplug. They're all linked down below, and it's also at the end of the video. So go watch it, watch the whole video, and then go follow me, and you'll like this. And there's more pictures coming. Oh, I'm chocolate. Okay, anyway. So yeah, we came back from the beach. When we came back, we went into the pool to wash off all the salt. We went swimming for an hour, and yeah, I feel like I'm losing my voice. Oh, also we're going on a cruise. I think I mentioned. I don't know, but we're going. Oh my god, we're going on. I don't know what day, but after Disney World and Universal, we're going to the freaking Bahamas. Also, the beach that we went to is new something like that. But y'all should go. If you ever come to Florida, go to the beach. You can go so far in the ocean and you can still touch the ground. And I'm only 5 feet and I can still touch the ground. It was awesome. And then you go back to California. I'm like, is that life? Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really, really short, and I'm really sorry. All of these are kind of really short because I kind of keep forgetting to vlog / montage thing. So yeah, but I hope you guys do enjoy these. I'd rather have it short than long, so yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys later if anything else comes up. If it doesn't, it'll just go to the outro card thingy. But if it does, then it, kind of just happens. Alright, bye!